Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we have the November 2018 of BattlBox. And as you can see, this is actually a pretty good size, definitely some good weight. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. And I'm going to be actually using the little BattlBox knife I got from a couple boxes ago. And I actually do carry this around. This is actually come in handy a lot with it being small. So definitely very nice to have. Here we go. So, as you can see, here's what you're getting, what we're going to be getting, and the price point on everything. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pause the video, we're going to get everything out, and then we're going to go through everything, all right? All right, guys, we got everything out. Only 4 items in here, but they're actually very good items, and to me, another good box. So the first thing that we actually got is a 24-inch collapsible blowgun, restricted in some areas. So I didn't know what this was, and that's why I wanted to pause it. So as you can see, there are the little I guess needles you would want to call it with the back. So when you put it together, you would shoot that and, you know, go after your prey or whatever it might be or whatever. So the blow dart, pretty cool. I think we'll have to, we're going to bust that out once we get to reviewing everything and kind of show it in action. So the blow dart was the first thing we got. Then the next thing we got here is a field skinning knives, a 3-pack there. So everything to do for, you know, for skinning while you're out in the field, for hunting and that. Now these are right here. These are Dakota line snares, and you got 3 of them. So you know, these are for trapping, you know, small game and that. So these are always good to have if you can't make them. And the last thing that you get in here is the ultimate guide to home butchering. So it literally shows you how to prepare for any animal, you know, or a bird, for the table or for the freezer. So it literally takes you step by step through everything. This is actually really good because, you know, if you've never butchered anything or never done anything like that, having a guide like this is real easy for you to follow step by step, you know, but very good. So I'm very happy to gotten all this stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and I am going to get the blow dart assembled and get one of the darts assembled. All right, guys, we cleared stuff out and here we go. So, and they're not needles, so I apologize for that. You know, they could be classified, they are darts. So as you can see, as you get that zoom in there, you can see there's the tip, there's the back end, and pretty much easy to assemble. And that's it for that. Just putting that right in there. And this is super easy. You just kind of, you just connect these two. And then you tighten it. And it actually has a kind of crosshair so you know what to shoot. So now what we're going to do is I'll have the we have the BattlBox here that we're going to show you how well this actually you know, will shoot. So I've done a few practice shots and pretty easy. Pretty much for you to load it, you just put that in the back, pretty much get that right there, and so just pretty much, and the aiming is really good. So here we go. So you probably can't see the yellow, but I'll have her zoom in here. I'm going to do a red one. So we'll see, you'll get 2 of them here. So really cool. Something I probably would never would have bought or anything like that. But in a, you know, survival situation, this could probably take down like a rabbit or a squirrel if you're really good. And they actually come with quite a few. So like there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 arrows. So really cool. So now we're gonna get everything together, just do a quick recap of everything, and stand by. All right, guys, as you see, I got everything else back on the table, ready to go. All in all, this is another fantastic box. I definitely see what they went with. The theme for this month is kind of, you know, the outdoors theming, hunting, butchering, you know. Deer season is probably just getting ready to go into certain places. Duck season's already in. Also, you know, rabbit season. And in this mission, the box, they're actually calling it the Hunting 2.0. So this is definitely, you know, they're classifying this one as a hunting. So really fantastic box. I've just been impressed with each box I have gotten from BattlBox. It's worth their money. You're getting stuff that maybe stuff you wouldn't normally would think about getting. You know, especially if you're new to prepping and stuff. But just to get these, I enjoy doing these reviews for you guys. It's almost daily I get reviews or comments from when I did the other company I'm not going to name on here, and people always say, thank you for doing that, you're saving me money. And they'll say, hey, I'm going to go with BattlBox. And because I kind of let them know, try look at my BattlBox videos, and they like that. So thank you for everyone who's commenting down there. So keep those comments coming. You know, let me know what you guys think about this. You know, and let me know if you guys think it's a good box. I think it is, just from everything we have. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.